This is oil paint. It's not just another stick. It's not just another crayon. It's the same thing. You've taken your pigment and you've mixed it with oil and you've added some wax, and that's what it is. And then it's poured off into a mold. The thing is that I can tell you, in my 23 years of making paint, the only time period I had for using oil sticks was back in the 90s, in 94, when I had a short session at the Vermont Studio Center, and I used all these sticks, and I threw them on a shelf, and now, what is it, 16, 17 years later, I can still pick them up and use them. Because what happens is that although the oil on the outside dries, the wax, it forms into a structure that encapsulates the oil. But look at this. How wide a brush do you need for this? How much paint are you going to have to wash off that brush? And how many tubes of paint are you going to have to use to get this? With the oil stick, I can go like this, and for the most part, it keeps its color because it's not losing paint. When you have the immediacy, you get that punch all at once.